Duradek is a 100% waterproof and slip-resistant vinyl deck covering with a 15-year waterproof warranty. It comes in a variety of colors, is low maintenance, and is built to withstand the elements on the west coast of British Columbia. Once your old decking is removed to the joists, Duradek must be installed on a flat surface, so new tongue and groove plywood is added to the deck floor to add rigidity and to ensure that the new surface is flat. A cement filler is added to the seams to fill any gaps between the boards and to fill in any additional low spots. We then route the plywood on the edge of the deck so that the surface lies flush with a drip flashing that is used to guide water along the outer edge of your new deck. We now prep the deck by removing any old adhesives and flashing from the previous decking. Once this is done, we sand the entire deck and the cement filler to create an ultra-flat and smooth surface for laying down the new Duradek. Duradek is applied with a long-lasting adhesive that creates a bond between the vinyl and the plywood decking. The adhesive is applied to the sides of the deck along the rim joist, to the deck surface, and to the backing of the Duradek. With the adhesive now applied to all surfaces, the Duradek is slowly rolled out across the surface and over the edge. Our professional installers, who are trained specifically for Duradek installs, then smooth out the surface and eliminate all of the air bubbles. Along the walls, adhesive is applied 3 to 6 inches up the wall, so the Duradek can be applied to further reinforce the waterproofing properties of the product at right angles and in corners. Once the Duradek is completely laid out across the deck and all of the air bubbles are released, we work on creating heat welds on all of the seams which overlap between 1 and 1.5 inches. With our torch gun, we carefully apply concentrated heat to both sides of the Duradek to partially melt the seams so we can fuse them together. This is a very delicate process where the perfect amount of heat is applied to create the waterproof weld. Our installers have years of experience and specific training to perform perfect welds. Multiple passes are made to perform the weld. As a final step, after the sides of the deck are heat welded to the drip flashing, we add vinyl clips to cover the vinyl and flashing to create a nice clean look for the drip edge. Special flashing is also applied where the Duradek meets the wall at all right angles. And there you have it, a new waterproof vinyl deck from Duradek. They're built to last, have a 15-year warranty, and they come in a huge variety of patterns and colors. We are confident that you'll be very satisfied with our Duradek product. Call us today to stop by for a free estimate.